Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Tonight we're going to be doing a continuation of a color scheme that I've been using the last few weeks. This is PBG Multi-Pro. It's my pillow paint. It's an eggshell. Get this at Home Depot. This is Interference Gold. Now this is a technique that I used with my recent collaboration, and this is a secondary on this. I decided I would like to try it out again on a smaller piece. So this is Interference Gold going down, and this time it has no bubbles in it. Okay, this is lamp black, and I'm putting it on the back of a pastry cutter. I'm going to use it as a tool to put the paint down. I'm creating a faux pillow or a false pillow, so it's going to look like it was done in black when I'm done. I'm going to put a nice even swath across the top of that layer of Interference Gold. My hopes with this is that it'll create actually a third layer. When I pull things up, you'll see that gold poke through. If for any reason you miss any of the colors tonight, don't worry about it. They are down in the description below, and I list out the products and brands. Okay, there's a little bit more of the Interference Gold. Autofocus is playing a game tonight, so I had to cut out quite a bit because what you're seeing now happened quite a bit. So I'm hoping that I finally figured out what was going on with that. This is Arteza Crimson Red. This is, I gotta think about this. That is Maraschino. It's this little Piggy pigment. This is a custom gold. It's made up of Amsterdam iridescent gold, deep and precious gold from PBO. This is Athena going down. It has a pinkish look here, but it has a really nice gold that will marry up with the other golds that are here. This is Alizarin Crimson. It is a transparent color, and it is absolutely one of my favorite golds or reds that are going now. This is Boom Gel, Willie Wagtail Black, and what's on the back of this is iridescent gold deep by Amsterdam, titanium white by Amsterdam, and it's mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol. And I'm going to just do a few swipes here. And again, I took some liberty to cut some of this out because I'm getting quite a bit of autofocus that's getting in the way, and it's because as my head came into frame, it focused on the wrong thing. So I have the solution to that. Okay, picked up my flathead blower, and I'm going to blow this out. Try to get a little bit of my cells to open up a little bit, and also spread this out. I actually love this blower. It does such a great job, and I'm able to really control where it blows. It's just a matter of how high I am to get the look I'm looking for. Okay, picked up my swiping tool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a scoop and drag, and I'm going to do quite a bit of this, so I'm going to cut some of it out. Scoop under the colors, and I drag it out. Now you notice I'm also getting some of the white from underneath, and that is intentional. I want to see that come through, and hopefully when this is done right, you see quite a bit of the backlit color, and it's a beautiful technique when done well. It's actually a beautiful technique when it's done well. Jessica Wenderstrom is the person I go to watch her do this. She's got a great eye for composition, and less is more with her. And I think I went a little wild and crazy on this. I wish I had stopped it sooner than I did. But I'll let you be the judge of this as we get to the end of it. Okay, time to do some spinning here. Spin this out, get some paint off of the canvas, and also open up the cells that are here. You see I've got a combination of real soft spins and some harder spins. Once I start seeing my composition where it needs to be, I'll slow this down or speed it up and get the paint off some more. You notice I did move it off center to try to move it in the direction of the furthest part out. Centrifugal force is our friend when we spin. I'm just stretching this out, trying to get it off the end on the closest to me, and get some coverage going on that side. And the biggest thing is that if I can get some paint on that end, it will just flow off a little more naturally. Do a little bit of finger painting to make that happen. Okay, a little harder spin. Get some paint off for sure. You can always tell it's very satisfying when that paint starts really coming off, and you start seeing the sides getting covered up. This is a deep sided canvas, and so it takes a little bit more paint to get it covered. This takes a little bit of time. It's quite a bit faster. I just wanted to get some paint off of there so we can move on. I think it's about time for our flyover. You see I got quite the cells held up, and that's what I was hoping for. You can see I got a little marbling there, and the gold really did stand up. If you found today's video useful, I invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.